Hi, I'm Charlie, and the ingredients to my family dinner are... One mum who is a great cook, but does not like measuring stuff. One auntie who knows everything about native ingredients. One older brother who can be quite annoying. And we love winding each other up. Don't forget Speckles. So by now you must be wondering...
What's for dinner?
I come from an Indigenous family where food is a really important part of who we are. I'm a Yorta Yorta girl and my heritage is a huge part of everything we eat. Today we are going to be making kangaroo meatballs and pasta, crunchy salad full of native plants from the garden, and my special energy balls made from the ingredients that we get from the land. We already have all the basics for cooking the meal, but we need to go and collect all the Indigenous plants from the garden. Auntie Julie, can you come help me? Whenever we can, we try to include as many Indigenous ingredients in the food we cook at home, and a lot of them come from our garden. Yeah.
Okay. So we're pretty lucky, Charlie. Some of the Murnong are out, and that's when they're the sweetest. So go for it.
Whoa.
Oh, that's great. Look at that one. How do you know that that's a good one?
Well, it's not too big, but it's not too small, and the big ones taste bitter.
Perfect. Right, these are all vanilla lilies, Charlie.
How do you know the difference between vanilla and chocolate?
Well, the smell. The vanilla lilies smell like vanilla. The chocolate lilies smell like chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Look at that one.
Looks like a squid.
It does. Eat that little one.
I think we've got everything. Shall we start cooking?
Yeah, let's.
First up is kangaroo meatballs. Sometimes we make this with other meats as well, but I love kangaroo.
Right, Charlie, we'll make some kangaroo meatballs.
What's the white stuff?
That's actually chicken fat. Kangaroo has no fat on it, and that often makes it so it's not juicy, particularly when we're cooking it this way. So we'll be mixing the chicken fat in with the kangaroo.
You can do that if you like.
Thank you. Now we're going to put some of the Indigenous ingredients in. This is Kira. They call it native basil.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not a
How
basil.
much?
Have a smell.
It smells good.
So then we just pack them together into the balls.
The meatballs go in the oven for half an hour.
Okay. If you want to taste a bit, and I'll taste a bit, and see whether we think we need to bake them or not.
They're a tiny bit bitter.
Yeah.
Now everything is chopped, I'm going to assemble the salad, put it all together.
With the Indigenous ingredients, I usually chop them up fairly small and don't use a huge amount of them because their flavours are a lot stronger than what we're used to.
Usual?
Yeah. I'll just toast it. No, it's beautiful. Yum.
All the roots will be going in our salad. Now for the final touches on the crunchy salad. All done.
fantastic.
It's time to make dessert. This one I love to make all the time and sometimes just for a snack. Mum, can you help me with this one?
Yeah, of course.
Do we do 2 cups of
Yes,
this?
2 cups of the dates and the seeds are out. And maybe 2 tablespoons of cocoa.
Should we add the day for some plum extract?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's another name for it?
Ore, the Aboriginal word is ore.
Is it blending time?
Yeah, it's blending time. No, that's perfect.
Yep. Now what do we do with them?
We can put it in the bowl, in there, and we'll start rolling.
You really have to get your hands dirty for this one. Hi, come on in, dinner's already ready. Now that everyone's here, it's time for dinner.
What was your favourite thing to cook today?
The protein balls. They were really fun.
They're really delicious as well.
I like how the sourness brings stuff to it,
Yeah.
brings a bit of bite to it. Auntie Julie, why do you think it's important to get together for food?
When you eat together, you sort of tend to relax and it starts conversations that maybe you wouldn't have in a more formal situation. Because so much of the stuff that we use has cultural significance, for example, wattle seed, what's important about wattle?
It's resembles the produce of the land is what I was always taught.
Girl. Alice, could you tell us another one?
The gum tree represents the elders because it grows the tallest.
Well done.
Black cherry, because it needs another plant to grow with it, and that would represent community.
Yeah, it represents community. Charlie, why do you think it's important that we learn these recipes?
Culture, traditions, and bringing family together.
Fantastic, yeah.
They think I'm weird because I'm using the spoon to eat the coconut. I think they should do it. Tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good. The coconut's got a lot of dates and plum in it.
No, it tastes really good. Trust me.
Sure.
Yes. It's like a sour lolly. With Joseph! Thanks for coming for dinner at our place. Bye!